welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Davy Jnr, a typical village boy born and raised in Kenya. And if it is your very first time on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing. We on the road to 10k subscribers, and I'm coming live from Nairobi. For those who don't know, Nairobi is the capital city of Kenya, and this is how it looks like from here. It's so amazing, guys. Yeah, that's the beautiful view of Nairobi. So on today's video, I want to show you and take you around on a 2-bedroom house. So I hope you're enjoying this video till to the end. Give it a like. Here are more videos coming from Nairobi, Kenya. Without much further ado, let's check it out how it is. Welcome to the 2-bedroom house. So huge, and this is the living room. You can partition it, and this can be the dining area here, and right here this is the kitchen, guys, and it is so beautiful. Let me get in the comment section below what you think about this kind of kitchen. And I love the tiles. Wow, the tiles look so attractive, as you can see here. The shelves are really amazing, guys. Yeah. I know you may wonder why are these bananas inside here, because somebody is getting in soon here. That's why you can see it is in a mess, you know. Yeah. Oh, the sink, good water, you know, fresh. And it is so clean, guys. Yeah, look at the tiles. They are in somehow white, not really white, but something like that. It looks really amazing. Wow. Yeah, let me get in the comment section below, guys, what you think about this place. And this is the balcony right here, and also it can act like maybe a laundry, because you can see right here there is some water flowing, so here you can wash your clothes, maybe if they are dirty, something like that. And I love the view, guys. Wow, that is Nairobi, the beautiful Nairobi. Wow. Visit Kenya. Kenya is so beautiful. As you can see by yourself, Kenya is so beautiful, guys. Yeah, so this is the laundry where you can wash your clothes clean from right there. And the wall, they have, you can see they have lighting at the walls. This is another one, and the other one, the switches. Though right now I think there are no bulbs, that's why you can see there is no electricity here. Yeah, so yeah, so this is the toilets. This is where you can wash your face, clean your teeth. Yeah, and this is the mirror. Actually, you can see yourself. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. This way. Let's check it out. See? Clean water. Yeah, and yeah, it is so spacious. And this is the shower. Oh. Yeah, you see there is water flowing there. Wow. This is where you can keep your soap while you are bathing or taking shower. And this is the tap, running water. Yeah. Wow, this is where you can hang your towels, something like that. And also here you can keep the toilet paper or the tissue paper. This is another room, guys, and I love it. It is so spacious. And every room here, it has its own view. You can see from the window, guys. That's the beautiful Nairobi scene. And also it has the wardrobes, you know. They are so huge. This is where you can put your things and stuff. And it has a mirror also, you know. You can see right here, that's the mirror. Yeah guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. Kindly give it a like, subscribe to the channel, more videos coming. So as I have said earlier, somebody is getting inside here. This is his or her beautiful bed. Yeah, and the wardrobes. Because of the privacy, I don't want to open the wardrobes. Yeah, and this is the toilet. Hot shower right here. Wow. This is the beautiful toilet. This is the mirror. This is the clean water right there. And also it has the shower, you know. Yeah, that's the water right there. This is where you can hang your towel right here. And I love the fact that it has white tiles. I love the color of the tiles, guys. Yeah. So that's basically it. Yeah. And actually it goes for $450 a month. Yeah, it goes for $450 a month. Without being furnished, you furnished by your own, like maybe buying beds, the seats. Yeah, that's how basically it. And according to my opinion, life in Nairobi, it is super expensive compared to the village, guys. As you know, I'm a typical village boy. So the real thing is that Nairobi is so expensive compared to the village. Actually, this kind of room, this huge one right here, in my village, actually it may go maybe to $30 a month. I know other people may say, it is a joke, but that's the reality. It may go to $30 a month in my village. So life in the city here, it is super expensive compared to my village, you know. Even the commodities of buying maybe the essentials like soap, clothes, food, things are super expensive. So if you are coming to Nairobi, Kenya, things may be expensive compared to the typical life in the village. Yeah, I thought I should share to you that information so that you may understand how life here in Nairobi is. So I want to say thank you so much, guys, for always supporting me. I really appreciate every single day. And always believe in yourself, dreams do come to reality, you know. Yeah, that's the beautiful, amazing view from my window right here. Yeah, those are cars passing by right there. Yeah, that's how Nairobi is. It is so beautiful. Yeah. Visit Nairobi someday so that you can experience this life by your own, you know. So thank you so much, guys. I think I want to end this video here. Thank you always for supporting me. Thank you for always supporting this typical village boy. Right now I'm in school. I'm no longer in my village. Thank you so much. And also you can follow me on Instagram, the same name as this YouTube channel, Davy Jnr. Thank you so much. See you in my next video, guys. Bye. Greetings from Nairobi, Kenya. Subscribe, more videos coming. Bye.